In this video, we are going to learn about the basics of geometry and angles. So we have some vocab words to define and to see what they look like. So the first is a point indicates location, and a point looks like this. So then a line segment is made up of all of the points between two given points. And those are called endpoints because they're the end of the line segment. A ray is something that starts at one point and goes off forever. We know that that arrow means forever. And then a line goes off forever in both directions. And then a plane is something that extends infinitely in two directions. So it's made up of a bunch of lines. So it looks something like this. All right, so when we have two line segments that intersect, they are going to intersect at a point. And sometimes those are going to make angles. So we have a few different types of angles. We have acute angles, which are less than 90 degrees. We have right angles, which are exactly 90 degrees. We have obtuse angles, which are greater than 90 degrees. And then we have what are called straight angles, because it's a straight line, and that means it's equal to 180 degrees. We also have these things called supplementary and complementary angles. Supplementary means two angles add to give you 180. Complementary means they add to give you 90. So if we look at these, this one and this one together, because this one is so much bigger. If we laid this one next to this one, it would make 180 degrees. So these are supplementary angles. These two, so this angle and this angle, this angle and this angle, because this square means 90 degrees, that means these two angles together are 90 degrees, so that is complementary. All right, so we also have these things called linear pairs. So for example, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, that just means they lie on the same line. And that means they add up to 180 degrees. Vertical angles are the ones across from each other. So 3 is across from 6, 4 is across from 5. Vertical angles are opposite of each other. And when angles are opposites of each other, it means they are equal. So it means they're going to have the same measure.